Michelle Lau is here. She is GIA certified in diamonds. And we're going to learn all about lab-grown diamonds. If you are new to the concept, she is your gal. We're starting with something brand new today. In fact, about half the show, if not more, is brand new today. You've never seen before. This is the lab-grown diamonds, pink and clear.
Do you know how special this is?
It's so incredibly important. And you know
Wow.
what? I need to be educated on how pink diamonds are made in the lab. We will get that together. That is 1 1/4 carats total of the round cut pink and white lab-grown diamonds. It's a $200 charge on a credit card. It is on its way to you, and then you have pink diamonds.
Right. Now
Sale
don't
price
go anywhere.
saves you $211. And look at the
Yes.
beautiful box that they come in.
If you've been shopping jewelry and you're thinking, I don't know, do I need diamonds? You need diamonds. I mean, when you think of Valentine's Day, is there any other gemstone that you think of really?
Yeah, nothing.
Than diamonds?
Nothing other than diamonds, but maybe
Is there anything
pink
really,
diamonds.
let me ask you this, that makes you feel the way that putting a real diamond
Yes,
on your hand
I
makes
know.
you feel? I mean, I've been just bouncing off the walls with the diamond product today. This is a spectacular ring. Pink diamonds happen so rarely naturally, and the world's main source for natural pink diamonds closed this year. So all the labs around the world really went to work trying to be able to come up with color that mimicked the more vivid of the Argyle Mine diamonds.
Wow.
This is the result of that. And it has puzzled gemologists for a long, long time, 37 years, why this color happens. It's an interruption in the lattice when it's growing. And then there has to be certain elements that are present in order for it to happen. So that intense pressure, there's something that goes wrong, really, in the development, and it turns the diamond pink. So yeah, a happy accident. You
Yes,
know, the most
a very
precious
happy
of
accident.
The pinks, yes, right here on your hand for under that $1,000 price point.
I know.
Just makes me want to cry. I'm so happy about it. So I think.
And as we're looking closely, real quick before we dive into the lab-grown story,
Yes.
am I seeing rose gold?
Rose gold behind the pink diamonds.
Oh, look how nice that is.
Again, to show off that proud, posh pink color that we love. This is a double halo design, and it looks very vintage with the hand mill graining that you see between those halos. Again, working from the inside out, the largest of the solitaires is in the middle. And you know, in natural pinks, anything over 7 points is considered highly collectible.
Wow.
In fact, according to Simon & Schuster's Road Guide to Gemstones, they're classifying pink diamonds in any form, any size, as beyond scant. So you cannot, you know,
Wow.
you can't tell the difference between a CZ and a diamond. Not true. The luster is different. They call them actually glassies. If you do put them side by side and you know what to look for, you're going to see the difference.
Right.
They're going to get cloudy over the years. This will not. This is all diamond, 100%. So it's not a simulant. This is not simulant. This is the real McCoy. And
so
you
don't
deserve
get
it.
fooled by the price.
Right.
Because for less than $1,000 for a carat and a quarter and pink diamonds,
They're
it's
5 or 6 figures in the real market.
Oh, absolutely. It's a $200 charge on a card. And we don't have a ton of these to go around. They're brand new today. You are the first to see them. And guess what? In sizes 5 through 10, we have 3 dozen. Now let's talk, let's like roll back a little bit. And
Yes.
what is a lab-grown diamond versus a mined diamond?
Yeah, and on a day like today, there's a lot of misinformation and confusion out there. And so I want you to know that these are diamonds. They're the same whether they're grown in the earth or whether they're grown in a laboratory situation. They are the same chemically, physically, optically as diamonds from the earth. So our Affinity brand and our Firelight brand are both diamonds. A 10 on the Mohs rating scale, scratch resistant. One, though, has been nurtured and protected and grown from the seed of a diamond in a lab situation. The other one is hundreds of miles beneath the Earth's surface.
Right.
Now, how do you know which one to buy? Because they're both diamonds and they're both amazing, right? Well, in Firelight, I can offer you reasonable prices on fancy pinks, but I can, right? Really reasonable. But I can also offer you 5 levels of clarity better than our diamonds from the earth.
Yes.
So this becomes an important talk when you're especially looking at big solitaires like we're going to
Right.
today.
I know. And pink. Now, how do they do a pink in the lab?
They mimic in these growing pods, they mimic what Mother Nature does naturally.
Okay.
So by altering the conditions inside, they can alter the outcome of the diamond. So we're seeing some really beautiful fancy colors, but of all the fancy colors in diamonds, the most rare is the red and then the baby pink. And that's what you're getting here. You're getting that, you know, baby shade of red. You're getting that beautiful, vivid
so
pink color.
gorgeous.
Yeah,
it's
amazing.
24 remain.
Oh,
It's brand new
yay.
today. You're the first to see it. You might be the last to see it, because on a day when we get to offer you real diamonds, pink, fancy diamonds
In
for less than
VS plus.
$1,000. And yes, what does that mean?
VS plus, I mean, we're talking or better. Our minimum standards are always that or better. Let me show you visually, because I think this is so telling. If I were to draw a red box around where it says VS, you can see that you're already at the higher part of the scale, but that is that or better. This means that you're getting eye clean diamonds. Oh, thank you for this. I really appreciate it. So yes, this is where we live at a minimum standard, where the red box is on the left. It's going to be somewhere in between there and flawless. How do I know that? We send every diamond, whether they're from the earth or the lab, we send them to the Gemological Institute of America to be inspected on your behalf, so that I know that. Now, as far as the color goes, we're looking at near colorless diamonds. Again, eye clean, near colorless diamonds give you this icy, icy white, give you this robust pink. And I'll tell you what, until recently, we weren't even able to grow pink diamonds.
I know. I've never
So-
seen them before.
It's really an exciting
It's
day.
such an exciting, and we have a lot in this show.
We
with
do,
the
more
pink.
than I've ever had in any other show.
I know. I am so excited. I was like, Michelle, we're going to be together, and we have pink diamonds.
Yes.
And usually, we're lucky to get one. The fact that we have so many and the prices are so good. Look at how this is set. We are now last call. There are 6.
I bet you have about
remaining.
80% of what's even in inventory. But if you want to check out the whole inventory, of course, the .com is a great resource.
Absolutely. Brand new today, you're saving $211. It's a $200 charge on a credit card, and you have 30 days to return if you need to, or exchange for size for free. Can you size that one? Do you
Yes,
think? Okay.
I think you could. Yes. And I forgot to mention the mill grading down the shoulder as well. It's pretty nice.
That's
right?
why I love it. It's that kind of vintage
Texture.
look. All right. Congratulations to those of you who picked that up. If
Check
you're
out.
on the fence,